So last day here, and it's like 7 o'clock. I've been up since about 5 something. You see how red I am. But yes, we're just running out the door to get some coffee now. And I don't know where we're going to breakfast this morning. But that's what we've got going on right now. I have on my blue romper. So let's go get some coffee and feel awake for the day. I'm gonna see if there's any alligators. Or are they crocodiles or alligators?
No, alligators.
Let's see if we see any. They're usually out on that little strip of... Nope, none there. Out on that little bank over there, there's usually some alligators. I'm still shook that they were real. I thought that they were just staged to make the golf course look more like aesthetically pleasing. Do you know what I mean? Oh my god, hi! It's a little dog. Hello. Padre, how great are you at ordering Starbucks?
Not at all.
I got the venti caramel iced macchiato with extra ice. And then we also got an iced blonde vanilla latte. That was screwed up, but it's fine. Everything's fine.
Hey, I could at least order the Pikes, okay?
Yeah, he did fine on his, so that's what matters, I guess. Now we're at Krispy Kreme. Hopefully this will go smoother than the Starbucks order.
Shut it.
Oh my god, Vermonters!
Oh, wow.
That's so great. We're behind fellow Vermonters. Wow, that's so cool. What are we getting?
Just a dozen of the...
Yes.
The regular.
And they're hot, the light's on. So that means they're hot, and I'm excited to eat them. Can't wait for my sinus infection to go away. Donuts. I'm eating one. Probably there's one missing. How'd ordering that go? Was it smoother?
I'd rather not talk about it.
Look at these houses. They're so cute.
If I had my own vehicle, I would do it.
So picturesque. We're back at the beach. Padre's got some heavy duty things protecting his feet.
He's there.
Is he?
Where? I don't see it.
There's one underneath the tree, further underneath that.
So we went to the beach again and worked on my burn again. No, I don't think I got burned this time. But we are on our way to Dinar. And I haven't filmed much today at all, so that's fun. But it's very nice out. It's very warm.
82.
It's 82 degrees. It's so nice. 82 degrees in April. You don't see that in Vermont. Anyways, off to dinner. Chicken sandwich. So we just went to Carolina Roadhouse and it was so delicious. That chicken sandwich was so good. Mother had chicken tenders and those were equally as good, and they had this like homemade sauce. It was great. It was just great. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's delicious. Now we are going to Dick's to get Mother a...
You mentioned the croissants.
Oh yes. So the Carolina Roadhouse, I guess they're famous for their croissants. I don't know this personally. I only know it from Dictionary Padre or Wikipedia Padre. He's the one who's...
WikiLeaks Padre.
Yeah, WikiLeaks Padre over here. Side note, I really want to do those go-karts. Anyways, back to my story.
Oh, something shiny.
Yeah. Back to my story. So Padre said that this place was known for their croissants. So you have to buy them though as an appetizer. It's like $6. And Erica got a salad and it came with one. Delicious. What did we do? We got croissants. My little croissant. They were so good. They were delicious. I put them in here. Those croissants, that's what they're famous for. Great, excellent, 10 out of 10, would recommend.
She's trying to get up
Yeah.
That's all I got for you. They're so good. I don't know what the deal is with South Carolina, but they've got tons of freaking pancake houses everywhere you go. Every couple of buildings, there's a pancake house of some kind.
The only thing that there's more of is churches.
Yeah, freaking land of churches and pancakes. I don't know. It's weird. I don't understand.
Brisket.
We're going to Dick's. They also have all of these seafood buffets down here too. But they're like, the one that we looked at, it was like $35 a person to go. I don't need $35 worth of food. That's crap. That's why we didn't go. But now we are currently going to Dairy Queen to get a Blizzard. This is the latest we've been out this whole vacation. And we leave tomorrow, so that's fine. Sun is going down and it's getting cold. Oh, look at that. That's gorge. It doesn't show up very well on here, but it's super pretty. Oh, there you go. Now you can kind of see it. Ooh, pretty. Just got a mini s'mores blizzard. Come on, Padre. On the night moves.
Boss Cat.
No. Working on the night moves. Bob Seger. Frickin' A.
Bob Seger.
Woo, you got it. Unreal. Can't teach him anything. Can't believe you didn't know that. Classic. This guy's a classic. Ooh, I'm stuck in my hair. Look at it. Glasses are completely stuck. Ooh, I'm really stuck in here. I hate this. Like, look at it. It's just completely stuck in my hair.
all your glasses.
Look at the tree. So pretty.
Those are actually really good.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a nice Jeep. It was a fun time. Oh, there's a Krispy Kreme there.